Our power just went out. Natalie, do you have anything to say?
I just got out of the shower and...
I don't even know if it's on me. I don't know. Oh, is it back on? No.
The minute we get our air conditioning to work.
Guys, it's just not cold.
Kristen, what did you do?
I'm going to get my cookies.
What?
From Anna.
Our power's out again. Eden's eating Nutella in the kitchen.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the group.
He's running. Okay, so we just had a fail. We were supposed to go to Bracciano, which has like a really pretty lake and castle, and I took us to the wrong train station, and then we ordered another set of tickets, and then then it got delayed, so we weren't gonna get there with enough time. Yeah, so now we're just gonna go hang out in Rome.
It's okay.
It's fine. We're just taking a breather on the ground. Okay, I don't even know what this is called. Do you know what this is called?
Pure elemosinus addicta minimor sodalitas strepsicata.
Oh my gosh. Anyway, but it's really pretty view. We just came across it. Anyway, we went and got some really good pizza, and we're having a good day, even though we didn't get to our train, but it's okay.
Exactly.
Hotel Eden. Right next to the park. Update. We are not lost. We are simply wandering the streets of Rome.
Not all
and
lost.
yeah, and we've come across the northern part of Rome, and it looks very different than the rest of the city. Look at it.
Indeed.
It's so pretty.
The little terrace up there.
Yeah. It's very more, it reminds me of an American city, which is nice and refreshing. But we're having a lot of fun. We found shopping, so that's really all that matters. Oh, wait, what? Oh. It's a robot waiter. Say what we're about to do?
I don't fully understand what we're about to do, but I think we're gonna look at pictures at World's Press and then have our final about it.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
I don't know.
Should
I'm
be fun.
excited. Natalie's making me pancakes because she's the best. She's like a little housewife. Kristen, yeah. They're doing homework, And Livy's sending toe pics to her doctor.
Toe video.
And that's it. And she has to go.
It's raining for the first time since we've been here. Guys, they actually have cheddar cheese today. It's like the best day ever. We've been making our quesadillas with mozzarella. Okay, we got the HDMI cord to finally work on our TV, so now we're watching Grease. I'm so excited. Are you excited? I'm very excited. We're supposed to be doing homework, but we're gonna watch Grease instead.
The other ones are out next weekend.
Good job.
Thanks.
We just figured out we don't have to get COVID tested before we go back to the US, hopefully. I don't know, Kristen just read that.
CDC will no longer require air travelers to show a negative COVID test result or documentation of recovery from COVID-19.
We don't have to get quarantined. Papa, is that what you just said? Mmm, is it good? Oh, yummy garden water.
I think we've seen everything.
What time is it?
It's 11 o'clock.
When's our train? Like 4?
4.
Okay, well, we have to find something to do for 5 hours. Come on, let's go. Okay, that ended up taking a lot less time than we thought it was going to take. So we're gonna go get lunch and probably buy another train ticket back that's earlier. And Kristen also forgot her passport, so we're just hoping we don't get caught by the police.
When I get caught, I haven't seen a single policeman. The train station has really no security. We're fine.
It'll be fine. We're fine. We got this.
I have a copy of it.
Okay, yeah, that's gonna save you.
You said, oh, it's fine.
Well, I wanted you to come, so. Kristen has successfully made it on the train without getting caught, so I think we're good. Hopefully we're in the clear.